Today's video is going to be on position of objects, and we're going to use in, on, top, bottom, over, and under. And we'll use examples like the ones you see here. So let's go ahead and take a look at these now. Can you say if the following is in or on an object? The baby is in the crib, or the baby is on the crib? Which one would you use? That's right, it's in. The cat is in the chair, or the cat is on the chair? Which one would you use here? That's right, it's on. The cat is on the chair. Can you say if the following is on top or bottom of an object? The purple color is on the top, or would you say the purple color is on the bottom? That's right, you would say bottom. The purple color is on the bottom. How about this one here? The red block is on the top, or would you say the red block is on the bottom? That's right, the red block is on the top, so the word is top. Can you say if the following is over or under an object? The bird is flying over the water, or would you say the bird is flying under the water? That's right, you would say it's over. The bird is flying over the water. And how about this one? The whale is over the water, or would you say the whale is under the water? That's right, the whale is under the water, so you would say under. So for the bonus activity, I'm just going to ask you to look at some pictures and then ask you whether or not it's at the top or the bottom here. Okay, so for number one, actually, we're looking at the bed here. And then my question to you is the bed on top or the bottom here in the picture? Where is the bed at? That's right, the bed is on top here in the picture. For number two, I want you to look at the TV here. Same picture, same thing. Now look at the TV. Is the TV over the table, or is it under the table? That's right, the TV is over the table here. And then I got another question with this picture here. And again, what I'm asking is look at this picture and look at the table and the cabinet now, this part here. And is it under the TV or is it in the TV? That's right, it is under the TV here. And for here, you saw this earlier. So now what I'm asking is look at the blue color. Look at the blue color here. And is the blue color on top or is it on the bottom? That's right, it is on the bottom here. And for this one, you look at, you got a box here and there's a whole bunch of like different things. You got a unicorn, rainbows, pictures, stars. And are these in the box or are they on the box? That's right, they are in the box here. They're being placed in the box, inside the box. And for number six here, we're looking at the submarine. And is the submarine over the water or is it moving down towards the bottom here of the water? So what is the submarine doing? That's right, it's moving down to the bottom of the water here. As you can see, it's going to the bottom. So can you name some other objects showing in, on, top, bottom, over, or under? Leave them in a comment down below. So I just want to give you some different examples of position of objects with the following ones I showed you, just to give you an idea. Now, are there more that we can use? Absolutely. And can some of these be used with other position of objects? Sure, they can. It depends on the context of what you're asking, though, of course. Okay. So for what I was asking, these work. Now, if you know of some other ones that you can use, again, leave them in the comments down below. So that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.